Hey friends, welcome to ReMed. In this video, I'm going to talk about the monkeypox. First, we will know what is monkeypox. It's a rare disease that is caused by the infection with monkeypox virus. First, it was discovered in 1958 when two outbreaks of a pox-like disease occurred in colonies of monkeys, which was kept for research, hence the name monkeypox. And the first human case of monkeypox was recorded in 1970. Next, we will know about the signs and symptoms. In human, the symptoms of monkeypox are similar to smallpox, but it was milder than the symptoms of smallpox. Monkeypox begins with fever, headache, muscle aches, and exhaustions. And the main difference between the symptoms of smallpox and monkeypox is that monkeypox causes lymph node swell, means we called it lymphadenopathy, while smallpox doesn't cause it. And the incubation period is around 7 to 14 days, but it sometimes ranges from 5 to 21 days. Now about the transmission. So, transmission of the monkeypox virus occurs when a person comes in contact with the virus from an animal, human, or materials contaminated with the virus. The virus enters the body through broken skin, respiratory tract, or the mucous membranes, through the eyes, nose, or the mouth. And animal to human transmission may occur by bites or scratches, direct contact with body fluids or lesion materials, or indirect contact with lesion materials such as through contaminated bedding. Human to human transmission is also possible due to primarily through large respiratory droplets, and respiratory droplets generally cannot travel more than a few feet, so prolonged face-to-face contact is required for the human to human transmissions. Other human to human transmission method includes direct contact with the body fluid or lesions materials, and indirect contact with lesion materials such as through contaminated clothing or linens. So, now about the preventions. There are a number of measures that can be taken to prevent infection with monkeypox viruses. Avoid contact with animals that could harbor the virus, including animals that are sick or that have been found dead in areas where monkeypox occurs. And avoid contact with any material such as bedding that has been in contact with a sick animal. And isolate infected patients from others who could be at a risk for infections. And practice good hand hygiene after contact with infected animals or humans. For example, washing your hands with soaps and water, or using an alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Also use personal protective equipments PPE while caring the patients for the doctors. So lastly about the treatment. Currently there is no proven or safe treatment for monkeypox virus infection. For purpose of controlling monkeypox outbreak, smallpox vaccine, antiviral, and vaccinia immunoglobulin, also called BIG, can be used.
Is that the risk of monkeypox is moderate globally and in all regions, except in the European region, where we assess the risk is high. There is also a clear risk of further international spread, although the risk of interference with international traffic remains low for the moment. So in short, we have an outbreak that has spread around the world rapidly through new modes of transmission about which we understand too little and which meets the criteria in the international health regulations. For all of these reasons, I have decided that the global monkeypox outbreak represents a public health emergency of international concern. Although I'm declaring a public health emergency of international concern, for the moment, this is an outbreak that's concentrated among men who have sex with men, especially those with multiple sexual partners. Stigma and discrimination can be as dangerous as any virus. But with the tools we have right now, we can stop transmission and bring this outbreak